Mastering politeness and casualness in English writing. Hello, English learners. Today, we are diving into an exciting part of language that can really make your communication shine. It's all about using sentence structure to change politeness and casualness in your writing. Understanding how to adjust your tone can help you connect with your audience in a more meaningful way. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Politeness and casualness are two different tones that can be used in writing. Politeness. This is used when you want to show respect or formalness. It often includes complete sentences, formal vocabulary, and proper punctuation. Casualness. This tone is more relaxed and informal. It's often used with friends or in casual situations and might include slang, contractions, and a more conversational style. Understanding how to use sentence structure to convey politeness or casualness is essential. Let's break it down. Polite sentence structure. Complete sentences. Use full and grammatically correct sentences. Avoid contractions. Write, do not, instead of, don't. Formal vocabulary. Choose words that are considered more formal or respectful. Example: I would be most pleased if you could assist me with this matter. Casual sentence structure. Use contractions, such as, don't, instead of, do not. Informal vocabulary. Choose more relaxed and conversational words. Shorter sentences. Feel free to use fragments and more concise language. Example: can you help me out with this? Switching between these tones can be powerful, especially in writing where you might need to engage with different audiences. Know your audience. Understand who you are writing to. Match the context. Align your tone with the situation or subject. Be consistent. If you start with a polite tone, maintain it throughout, unless there's a reason to switch. To master this skill, you need to practice. Here's an exercise. Write a polite email to a teacher. Rewrite it in a casual tone as if you were sending it to a friend. Compare the two and notice how the sentence structure changes. And there we have it. Understanding how to adjust politeness and casualness through sentence structure is a crucial skill in English writing. It allows you to connect with different audiences and convey your thoughts effectively. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at switching between these tones. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you in your English learning journey.